Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by creating the core of prevention. Preparedness reduces harm. Pack a 72-hour kit with water, food, medicines, light, and power. Label items so you can act fast. Once done, map safe zones and 2 evacuation routes from home and work, and share them with family. Sign up for local alerts and program emergency contacts into your phone. This ensures you get official warnings and quick instructions to move or shelter in place. You now shift into mitigation. Reduce hazard impact before disaster strikes. Strengthen your home by securing heavy furniture and retrofitting vulnerable elements. This prevents collapse and secondary injuries. Once done, adjust landscaping, clear gutters, remove combustible debris, and add windbreaks to lessen flood and fire risk. Make sure to join or start neighborhood response teams and run drills. Coordinated community plans amplify individual efforts and speed recovery when an event occurs. You complete the cycle by rehearsing and reviewing. Practice evacuation and shelter drills monthly and rotate supplies so nothing expires. After an event, prioritize safety. Avoid down lines, gas leaks, and contaminated water. Then document damage with photos for assistance. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. If alerts stop, check batteries or power, switch to a hand crank or solar radio, and confirm status with neighbors. This redundancy keeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.